So now we're inside the house. When we're inside the house, you'll know after you show your clients maybe one or two homes, and you'll get that fuzzy feeling in your belly, and you'll know that they have that fuzzy feeling in their belly about loving the home. And so you'll ask them, can you see yourself living here? They go, yes or no, blah, blah, blah. And, or before you ask that question, you might say, well, how would you decorate this room? How would you do this? Where would you put your furniture in here? Get them visualizing where they would live. In scenario I showed you, I want to see the backyard. I'm walking in. Do you like the back? I love it. Where would you put your fire pit? Where would you do this? Where would you put your swimming pool? Where would you put all the stuff, Mr. Thornton, that you like? Get me already building this backyard out. It's great. Get me and my spouse or whoever's on the inside building the inside out, decorating furniture. What drapes would you put up here? How would you do the kids' room? Where would you put your movie theater in the basement? All the things. Get me living in this home. Let me see it. And then once I start telling you where or how I would design the house, say, so could you see yourself living here? And they go, yes. Okay, great. All right. So what we should do, let me get the listing agent on the phone. Now you're doing this inside the house. Remember, I'm only going to teach you what the top agents around the country are doing. Okay? So you call the agent. You know they're not going to pick up, right? So you got them on speakerphone and they didn't pick up. So you say, hey, this is Anthony, and I'm here with Mr. and Mrs. Smith. I really love your house at 555 Main Street. Call me back. They're not going to call you back. So what you do is you send a video text to the agent. Hey, this is Anthony Thornton. I'm over at 555 Main Street. I'm with my buyers. They love your home. Call me back. I got a couple questions for you. You video text the listing agent. They call you back. The agent calls you back, and you click hello, and you want to say, hey, this is the listing agent, blah, blah, blah. You want to let them know, I'm inside your home at blah, 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 your listing at blah, blah, blah address. My buyers really like it. I have you on speakerphone, just so you know, I have you on speakerphone. Make sure you say that out loud. And I just had a couple questions for you. You're going to ask the same questions every time. Do you have any other offers on the home? They're going to say yes or no. It doesn't matter whatever they say. Is there any flexibility in the price? They're going to tell you. Is your seller willing to pay any closing costs? What would it take to get this home under contract with us today? Your buyers are going to see you doing this, and they're going to hear the responses back from the listing agent. And then you're going to ask your buyers, hey, do you guys have any other questions for the listing agent? Most of the time they say no. Okay. And does your seller need any, if they're living there, how many days does your seller need to move out after closing? Do you already have you already found them another home? Is there a closing date you guys prefer? So you're asking questions about writing a contract, right? You're getting your buyers thinking they're getting ready to write a contract. And you're also letting them hear that they have other offers, there's no flexibility in the price, and they're not paying closing costs, right? So you hang up the phone, and you guys say, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love this home? Right? They go, I love this home. It's a 6. Wow, a 6. Remember when we met in our buyer presentation, I told you 8 is a 10 in real estate because there's no such thing as a 10 out of a 10. So a 6 is like an 8. That's amazing. You love this home. That's awesome. Great.